Okay, I have been trying to get a good picture of this watermelon patch, but it is just obviously too big. So I'm going to just do a quick video of it. This fence, to see, it was reaching for the fence, so I've been trying to train it up the fence. It's growing all over the other side as well. And as you can see, there is one hanging on the fence, growing on the pile. There's one down in there. Ow, ow. I just stepped on one of those thorny things. I don't know if you can see it or not. I had a box of upcoming compost underneath there. It's growing in that as well. Ouch. Okay. And I put these flag poles up to kind of help myself see. But here's the view, and I need to watch where I'm going. This is where it is. Starting from here on all the way down